Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, we are going to be ripping a DVD onto our computer. So, for whatever reason you may need to do it, to back it up, to be able to watch it on a device that doesn't have an optical drive, whatever you need to do, for whatever reason, we're going to rip a CD onto the computer, copy it over to the computer essentially. And let's do it. So one thing you're going to need is a computer, and I think this program that we're going to use to do it is available on Windows as well, so basically just a computer. I'm going to be running mine on Linux, but it doesn't really matter. I don't think it does actually. And then this computer will have to have an optical drive, like either a built-in or a USB disk drive will work fine, and make sure it has an internet connection so we can download the software. Alright, here we are on our computer. The first thing we are going to want to do is open Firefox. And we're going to want to type in lib dvd css. Now this step is only for Linux users who don't already have DVD support installed. So just wait for that. And there should be a link going to this one right here, the one that's Videoland. You're going to want to click that link and it should take you to VLC's website. And let's prepare a terminal because we're going to have to enter some terminal commands. It's pretty easy. We're just going to copy and paste. Alright, minimize that. Alright, so this is it. Now we just copy that, go to our terminal, and we'll enter our password, and then just let it do its thing. And we'll copy the next command. Now we'll open our terminal back up. Oh yeah, if it asks you this, do you want to continue? Yeah, just do yes, enter. I'll get back to you when that's done. Okay, it should bring you up to this window. Blah 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 blah. It says please run sudo depackage reconfigure libdvd package. You can, this is the same command that we're getting from here, but you can also just copy it from here if you want and just click OK. We'll just do yes just to be safe. And this should be done in about a second. Yay, it's done. So now we'll just paste in the next command. And we can, oh. Yes. Okay, that's done. So now we'll just get this down here. Make sure not to include that little $sign thing, otherwise it'll spit out an error and be like, what? Alright, so we'll just do that. And there we go. Now we have libdvd css whatever majig installed. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna type in sudo apt install Handbrake. And this is the software we will use. And then I'll get back to you guys once that's done. Alright, so now that that's done, we can just go ahead and close out that terminal window. So you're going to want to open up your optical drive and just put in the disc. Now, if you want it, like, to have all the bonus features and everything, this is not what we're doing. If you want to do that, you can just rip the ISO file straight from the disk using another program such as Bracero or something like that. But no, what we're doing is we are copying the main movie, just the movie, to like an MP4 file or something like that. So as you can see, here's the disc. This is, I'm going to be doing Star Wars Revenge of the Sith. That's the one I'm going to be copying. So we'll just go to our menu down here. Okay. Handbrake. There we go. Right here. Okay, so now we have Handbrake open. So we're gonna go open source. And we can just do that. Or down here, detected DVD devices, and we just go SRO, open. And then it's gonna scan the disk, of course. Get back to you when that's done. Alright. So now that it's just done that, we're really just, it's got it all set up for us. We're just going to click start encoding. And that's about it. I'll show you after it's done. It might take an extremely long time. Like all day. You might want to leave it sitting all day. If it takes a long time, that's normal. It takes a very long time to do this. Especially since the speed of optical media is very slow. So yeah, just know that this might take all day. And we'll get back to you once the file is finished encoding. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that program helped you out. And I hope you got your DVD copied to your computer for whatever you may be doing with it successfully. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.